we've not treated her very well. I've been somewhat absent, but now I'm like going to take care of her. And I think he's trying to protect her, you know, but he has no idea what is going on. He has no background in Hollywood at all, and is really in danger of being just kind of eaten alive by the people that are very savvy about how things work. And kind of does, you know, so.
So did you bring any of your World War Empire characteristics?
You mean like my laugh or like a high-pitched voice? No, I would say this is a pretty different one. Yeah, no, the Mickey Doe, no, there's not any. Almost, I mean, I don't know. I mean, maybe I only play one character, I'm not sure. But in my mind, it was very different.
What attracted you to the role?
Well, I really like the script. I like the script person.
Always keep him in third.
I was fascinated by the tone.
Closer.
Just move funny, and then it kind of really
move this way.
at one point that I think
Keep him
really,
this way.
I think that's really great for him to like kind of. I mean, I wasn't totally sure like how is this supposed to work, and then just the character itself. You know, I'm like kind of guy who reads the script, and if I can imagine myself saying the words and it makes sense to me, then I'll do it. Because sometimes I just can't. I mean, it may be the greatest written thing, and I just cannot imagine saying it. So I was just made a lot of sense to me as an actor, and then also like I was fascinated intellectually by like what he was trying to do.
Well, just to conclude off, I cater to a very young audience, young professionals. It kind of goes with the theme of the film, about a young star, essentially a dude trying to bring her out. There was one piece of advice you would give to any young aspiring artist.
Just keep at it, you know? Like for me, it's been about persistence. You know, I've sort of been like slowly smashing my head against the door for many, many, many years. And persistence and inertia, you know, make groups of friends and do things that you like. You know, those friends are the ones that are going to still be doing it, you know, 20 years from now. And they're the ones that are going to hire you. They're the ones that you're going to work with. Those are the ones that are still around.